Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus RX 350 engine air filter. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. Pop the hood and locate the large, rectangular air filter housing, usually on the passenger side. You'll typically see clips or screws holding it shut. Gather a screwdriver if needed. This simple task improves fuel efficiency and engine longevity, saving you money in the long run. Let's get started on this easy maintenance. Now let's access the filter. Once the hood is open, find the prominent black box that houses the air filter. It's usually quite visible. Depending on your model, you'll either unclip several metal clips around the perimeter or unscrew a few screws. Once these are loose, gently lift the top half of the air box. Be mindful of any attached hoses or wires. With the housing open, observe how the old filter sits inside. This helps ensure the new one goes in correctly. Carefully pull out the dirty air filter. It might contain leaves or dust. Take a moment to wipe any debris from inside the air box. Then, place your new, clean filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly and in the same orientation as the old one. Finally, it's time to secure everything. Carefully lower the top of the airbox back into place, ensuring a tight seal. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure they are firm. You've just completed a vital maintenance task. A clean air filter allows your engine to breathe better, leading to improved fuel economy and extending the overall life of your Lexus RX 350.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.